your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Hi, we are the students of Westmead International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
And don't forget, get the chance to win cash prize, Saxo prize, and electronic appliances via the Hooray for Rainy Days promo of Bingo Pot by TAC. Hooray for Rainy Days promo for the whole month of August, and the grand draw is on August 31, 2024. So join now. Visit Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive, Olongapo City. Time now for some of the invites for you from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. Today is the last Novena Mass, 5 to 6 p.m. at the San Roque Chapel for the Feast of San Roque. All right? It's been a daily thing ongoing, yung Novena Mass every 5 to 6 p.m. Dahil tomorrow na, yung the Feast of San Roque Caracol Festival that's gonna be happening. Okay? And we're inviting all of you to join. Everyone is invited, not just SBM employees, but everybody can join, okay? The Caracol Street Dance especially, okay? 8 a.m. Mass muna at the San Roque Chapel, and then 9 a.m. we will parade from the San Roque Chapel to the Subic Gym while dancing. That's what Caracol is all about, di ba? The icon of San Roque Chapel will also be dancing with you as you guys parade in the streets of Subic Bay, Freeport, leading to the Subic Gym, and that's where gonna be the dance competition is. 9 a.m. yung street parade, street dance, and then 10 a.m. the street dancing competition at the Subic Gym. Okay, everybody can watch the competition. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be one thrilling, fun event. Dahil we have 2 categories for you: the students category and the open category. Wherein the both grand winners will win 30,000 pesos. Wow! 30,000 sa students category and 30,000 din sa open category. Okay? Wow! That's a lot of mula, huh? August 16, tomorrow na. Bukas na, okay? So, you guys, make yourselves free. Para maka-join kayo, para makanood, makasama kayo. Ang saya. It's gonna be... whenever we do the Caracol Festival here, naku, masaya. Very, very, very. And speaking of dancing, here's another invite for you coming from tourism pa rin, SBMA Tourism Department. In celebration of the National Tourism Month, meron din Tourism Week. Within it is the Tourism Rhythms Dance Battle. We're all about dancing, huh? Ang schedule naman ng Tourism Rhythms Dance Battle 2024, September 25, 2024, 2 p.m. at the Ayala Mall Harbor Point, okay? In celebration of the National Tourism Week or National Tourism Month, all right? Tourism Rhythms Dance Battle, okay? So who may join this competition is open to all students enrolled from high school, senior high school, college, universities located in the following areas: Subic Bay Freeport Zone, okay? Mga schools dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, schools in Olongapo City, schools in Bataan, Dinalupihan, Hermosa, and Morong in particular, and schools in Zambales, Subic, Castillejo, San Marcelino, and San Antonio. If you notice, those areas are the areas covered by RA 7227. Ayan, or areas covered by the Basis Conversion Development Act, which is under also what we call Greater Subic Bay Area. Alright? Ayan. Kumbaga sa NCR, Kalakhang, Manila. The Greater Manila area, parang ganon. Ayan. Pero ito, Greater Subic Bay Area yun, mga kasama na yon. That is why. But you might be wondering, but may mga pili na lugar. Okay? So each group must consist of a minimum of 5 and a maximum of 8 members. Alright? So, ayan. Okay? And registration, online registration is ongoing. Visit the Facebook page of the SBMA Tourism. Fantastic Subic Bay, F-U-N-tastic Subic Bay. Okay? You may also message them for clarifications or whatever, okay? And the cash prize for this, the grand winner will win 20,000 pesos plus plaque. Pero kung dati ka nang may plaque sa ngipin, ibang klaseng plaque yun. Plaque eh. Something like a certificate or plaque or 20,000. First runner-up 15,000, second runner-up 10,000. Consolation prize 2,000 per group. Oh, meron pa rin bawat group. Oh, nasasali. Okay? So check it out, the Tourism Rhythms Dance Battle 2024, September 25, 2024, 2 p.m. at Ayala Mall, Harbor Point. Okay? And a big shout out to our friends at ZMMG Co-op Hospital, located at number 14 Brill Street, West Bacbac, Olongapo City. Alright, they offer emergency room consultation, inpatient admission, outpatient, laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, OB-GYN ultrasound, newborn screening, annual PA and drug testing. Also, see the ZMMG Co-op Satellite Laboratory and Pharmacy Clinic at Purok 2, Barangay Alosii, San Narciso, Zambales. So our friends at Zambales, at San Narciso to be exact. Pero yung mga in and around Zambales, you don't have to go far. Ayan, you have your satellite laboratory and pharmacy clinic there, right? So for inquiries, once again, number 14 Brill Street, West Bacbac, Olongapo City, 602-0278. The number, okay? So again, shout out to our friends there at ZMMG. Hi, you guys, happy listening, okay? And final set of invites now coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the Rainy Day Essentials, up to 70% off on Rainy Day Essentials. Last day today, August 15. So you guys better hurry. The Rainy Day Essentials at the SM Store, SM City Olongapo Central, okay? Women's Denim Sale, up to 50% off on all denims for women at the SM Store, August 1 to 30. Also, babies wear are on sale, up to 50% off on special deals, all right? Plus free baby bib, August 1 to 31. Again, at your everyday store, the SM Store. And the Cyber Zone month is the month of August. Okay, check out on the special Cyber Month deals, Cyber Month specials ongoing, happening at all SM super malls, of course. Okay, so do check it out. This is for the entire month of August, Cyber Month. All right, check out the events and special sales and offers. Also, do check out the everyday deals from August 1 to 31 at the SM Store pa rin, of course. 200 pesos off. MWF, Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Extra 3 times on your SM Advantage card points. Wow, 3 times. Plus Saturdays and Sundays, get the chance to win a 500 peso SM gift pass. And the Sunday Mass is happening at the SM City Olongapo Central, 9 a.m. every Sunday, of course, at the ground level near Starbucks. Okay, dyan na kayo magmisa if you have plans of, and then diretso malling na, no? All right, and the SM Home Amazing August home sale is up until September 1, up to 50% off on selected items. SM Home Amazing August home sale. Shop and Dine is back. Shop and get exciting dining deals at the diners of SM Central. This is up until August 20 only. And lastly, The lineup of movies, tama-tama mag-weekend na, no? If you guys got plans of watching the movies, pwede nang bumili ng tickets online, right? Alien is now showing one of the this week's most anticipated movie. All right, let me give you the lineup for SM Central Cinemas. Cinema 1, Alien Romulus. Cinema 2, The Roundup Punishment. Cinema 3, Unhappy for You. Cinema 4, Deadpool and Wolverine Extended. And Cinema 5, Oddity, back-to-back with Borderlands. And it ends with us at Cinema 6. For SM Downtown Cinemas, Cinema 1, Unhappy for You. Cinema 2, there you go, Alien Romulus. Cinema 3, Deadpool and Wolverine. And back-to-back with It Ends With Us. Alright, so there you have it, the lineup of movies for you at SM Cinema for both Central and Downtown. Okay, so let me press play this time on the next requested song. This is gonna be my final song for you guys. All right. So this is a song from Poison, and it's called Unskinny Bop. And before I press play, once again, we'd like to remind you tomorrow na the Caracol Festival. See you at the starting up with the mass at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. parade while dancing. Then 10 a.m. the street dance competition at the Subic Gym. See you guys all there, right? Okay. Join us as we celebrate the Feast of San Roque Caracol Festival. Okay. August 16, 2024. This is the 78th already. Okay. Here's my final song for you guys, Unskinny Bop from Poison. With the song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now. And please do stay safe. Bye for now.